are you? It's Em with you. Starting my project with this old reusable bottle with a light at its bottom and cover can easily be opened. Putting some pebbles to enhance its weight. As you can see, I have used popsicle sticks for its designing, and now I'm sticking some aluminium foil balls on the edges of these sticks with hot glue gun. Basically, this will make the upper part of the mushroom house thickness. Now I'm using polymer clay to cover the bottle along with the cover, and don't worry about the color of the clay because definitely I'm gonna paint it later on. I have made some strips with aluminium foil. With these strips I'm making top of this house, basically top, you can say top cap of this house. It's difficult for me to explain. Anyways, now these are leftover pieces of rubber sheet used in some other projects, so these are kind of leftover pieces, so I just wanted to give it a nice shape. Ta-da! Time to play with lots of polymer clay. giving a muddy look to my mushroom house. I'm using a silicone mold to make some sparrows and some flowers. Just keep watching them. I'll stick them onto this house, and later on I'll paint them. I'll make a tree and some put some branches with polymer clay. Just keep watching, and thank you so much for your patience. Just wait for the final look. Just wait.